Hey there, Scott with SkipperBud's. Here's one of our newest listings. It is a 2019 South Bay 224 with a 150 on it. This is a pontoon. It's got the safety rails on the back, blue and tan. Tan canvas on it. Go ahead and jump on board here. Does have a ski tow bar. And I said you got a nice little flip seat here. Seat that flips back and forth there. Nice little lounge arm. It's a very nice condition boat. Got this boat for sale at $34,500 right now. Lots of storage underneath all the seats. Boat is rated for 13 people. Nice kicker stereo. Little pop-up door there. It's got two covers. It's actually got, this is seat covers, and he's also got a full cover for it. This boat's on consignment. So yeah, there you go. Beautiful boat. It's got two doors on both sides. Those actually swing open. You can see this ratchets up here. You have a seat facing backwards. So yeah, there you have it. If you have any other questions on this or any other boat at SkipperBud's, please give us a call. We're happy to assist.